Some older drivers or software are incompatible with core isolation, particularly its memory integrity feature. Disabling it can allow such applications or drivers to function correctly. Here is a simple guide on how to disable core isolation on Windows 10. Open Windows Security, press Windows plus S, and type Windows Security, and hit Enter. Navigate to Device Security. In the left pane, click on Device Security. Under the Core Isolation, click Core Isolation Details. Turn off Memory Integrity. Toggle the switch for Memory Integrity to off. Core Isolation is a security feature that uses virtualization-based security to protect core processes from malware and other attacks. Disabling it can reduce system security, so be cautious. Restart your computer for changes to take effect.